Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by isolating hardware versus software causes. First, update the headset firmware and your PC drivers. This eliminates compatibility echoes. Then, route audio only to the HyperX Cloud Alpha and set the mic as default. This prevents loopbacks. Once done, lower playback volume to about 50% and disable Windows audio enhancements. These can reprocess and reintroduce captured sound. You're now ready for deeper signal path checks and software settings. Now you change how software handles the microphone. Open sound settings and explicitly turn off listen to this device and any loopback features. Those create the classic echo. In apps, reduce mic boost to 0 dB and lower gain until your waveform is clean. This prevents speaker audio leaking back through. Also, disable automatic volume adjustments in communication apps, then enable a proper echo cancellation if available. This reduces latency-caused repeats and clarifies your voice. Finish by calibrating physical placement and final settings. Move the mic 1 to 2 centimeters from your mouth and angle it away from speakers. This reduces feedback. Test with the original cable, then try a different adapter or USB interface to identify routing echoes. Once configured, run a single app call and listen for repeats. If echo still appears, reset the headset to factory defaults, reapply firmware, and retest. This often clears firmware-level audio loops. Troubleshooting tip: if nothing works, test on another device to confirm the headset is at fault.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.